Welcome to all mechanical engineering students for the subject Engineering Drawing. Unit 1, Part 2, Projection of Planes. Condition here is a rectangular plate. A plate is a rectangle shape, is resting on HP on its one of its shortest edge. In HP, the surface of the plate is inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. Now, what condition we have to discuss here that the plate, which is the plate is shape rectangle. What is the condition? Resting on one of its shortest edge. First condition, surface of plate is inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. Now I'll draw the rectangle. This is the rectangle A, B, C, D. This is the shortest edge and this is the longest edge. Shortest edge and longest edge. Edge means side. Now what is given in the problem? Now if you observe, this is the vertical plane, this is our XY line, this is the VP and this is the horizontal plane. Now this is the rectangular plate A, B, C, D and this is the shortest edge, this is longest edge. In any problem of the plane, the final position is given. Here it is AB, shortest edge. The rectangular plate is resting on this horizontal plane on its shortest edge and the surface of the plate is inclined to HP by some degree. Now, what question you should write? To which plane the surface of the plate is inclined? The answer is HP. So, we have to make parallel or light on HP. Okay. Now, where we observe the actual rectangle on HP or VP, we observe in HP. That is the top view. So, I will draw here the rectangle on the top view. This is the rectangle in the top view. I will name it A, B, C and D. Now this is the XY line. This is your XY line. Now its front view will be a single line. Its front view will be the single line. Here I will draw the single line. It will be on XY because it is lying on XY. So it will be on XY line. This is, I will draw the projections here. Straight projections. Now this black color, this is a single line that indicates the front view. I will now write the name. Here is the point A and B, single line A1 dash, B1 dash. This is the point C1 dash and D1 dash. This is not line, it is a surface of plate. Now in second position, that is, this is the initial position. Now in second position, we will take the final position here. That is, surface of the plate is inclined by some angle theta. So this line indicates the surface of the plate. Here I will take A2 dash and B2 dash. This is a point. It is inclined. Just I will take the protractor here. At how many degrees? Say 30, 35, 30, 40 degree. 40 degree I will mark it here. I will draw a line. I will take the same length. This is the length. I will mark it here. This will be point C1, C2 dash and D2 dash. Now this is the angle theta, inclination with HP. Now I will draw the projection line here. I will draw the projection line from top view side here. Now this is the AD line. Here is the point A. I will mark it A2. Again this is also the point of B. Where is the B in horizontal position? Here is the B. I will mark it point B. This is the projector of C. This is the vertical line of C, C2. And this is the last point, D2. Now I will dark it. Okay, this is the final position, inclination of plate with respect to HP resting on one of its shortest edge. Which is shortest edge here? This is A and B. This is the shortest edge. It is resting. It is perpendicular to VP. So single point is observed here. Here also single point is observed because it is perpendicular to HP. Now this plate is inclined to HP. So this image is observed here, but we have to make it parallel. Then we have to transfer geometrically here the same length, and we will obtain the inclined plate length in the second final stage. This is the final front view, final, and this is final top view. Here is a problem: a rectangular lamina ABCD of smaller side AB 30 mm and longer side BC 50 mm is resting on HP on one of its smallest side AB. Lamina is inclined to HP at 50 degree and side AB is perpendicular to VP. Draw the three views. Now how it is drawn? Let us observe. First, as we discussed, first I will draw the XY line. We have to draw the XY line. Okay. Now we know that to which plane the plate is inclined. Plate is inclined to HP. So make parallel. So the rectangle is observed in HP. This is the HP and this is the VP. So I will draw the rectangle. What is the distance of shortest edge? That is 30 mm. And this is 50 mm. I will name it as A, B, C, D. Now I will draw the projection line here. And this is the line A1 dash. I will write here A1, B1, C1, D1, A1 and C1 dash. This is the point C1 and D1 dash. This is this is A1 and B1 dash. This is C1 and D1 dash. This is the line. Now this line makes A1 and is resting on A1, A2 dash, B2 dash, resting on HP. And inclined, we will take the protector here. Inclined at how many degree? They are given 50 degree, 10, 20, 50 degree. We have to take it here, mark it here, draw it here. Same length we have to take. I will mark it here. This is C1 dash and D1 dash. Draw the projections here. This will be your point A2. This is C2, B2, C2 and D2. I will dark it. There will be decrease in the length. This is angle theta, which is equal to 50 degree. Now X1, Y1 line, side view. Just draw the projection line here, 45 degree. Project it here. This will be your point A double dash. This will be your point B double dash. This is C and D line. This will be your point. This is line C D. This will be your D double dash. And this will be your point C double dash. I will dark this. This is your side view. Okay. Thank you.